Introduction. International Financial Reporting Standard. Welcome to IFRS International Financial Reporting Standards. This course is designed to develop a detailed conceptual analysis of most commonly used IFRS standards. We will be covering the most commonly used International Financial Reporting Standards, IFRS, as well as International Accounting Standards, IAS. The course is divided into 6 broad sections. Section 1, IFRS Framework. The topics covered in this section are as follows: IFRS Standards covered, IFRS Conceptual Framework and Bodies associated. Section 2, Income Standards. The topics covered in this section are as follows: IFRS 15, Revenue, IAS 1, Presentation of Financial Statements, IAS 8, Accounting Policies, Changes in Accounting Estimates and Errors, and IAS 11, Construction Contracts, which have been superseded by IFRS 15. Section 3, Asset Standards. The topics covered in this section are as follows: IAS 2, Inventories, IAS 16, Property, Plant and Equipment, IAS 17, Leases, which have been superseded by IFRS 16, IAS 20, Accounting for Government Grants and Disclosures of Government Assistance, IAS 23, Borrowing Costs, IAS 38, Intangible Assets, IAS 40, Investment Property, IAS 28, Investments in Associates and Joint Ventures, IAS 41, Agriculture, IAS 36, Impairment of Assets, IFRS 6, Exploration for and Evaluation of Mineral Resources. Section 4, Liabilities Standards. The topics covered in this section are as follows: IAS 37, Provisions, Contingent Liabilities and Contingent Assets, IAS 19, Employee Benefits, IFRS 2, Share-Based Payment, IAS 12, Income Taxes, IAS 32, Financial Instruments, Presentation, IAS 39, Financial Instruments, Recognition and Measurements, which have been superseded by IFRS 9. IFRS 7, Financial Instruments, Disclosures. IFRS 9, Financial Instruments. Section 5, Other Standards. The topics covered in this section are as follows: IAS 21, Effects of Changes in Foreign Exchange Rates, IFRS 3, Business Combinations, IFRS 11, Joint Arrangements, IFRS 12, Disclosure of Interests in Other Entities, IFRS 13, Fair Value Measurement. Section 6, Disclosure standards. The topics covered in this section are as follows. IAS 33, earnings per share. IFRS 8, operating segments. IFRS 5, non-current assets held for sale and discontinued operations. IAS 10, events after the balance sheet date. IAS 24, related party disclosure. IAS 34, interim financial reporting. IFRS 1, first-time adoption of international financial reporting standards. Introduction completed.